I do not have enough data to talk about crime, and I'm very, very dirty. So I was working the whole day. I am going to sleep when I get home, so I'm not doing it then. I would say the majority of crime and people getting murdered and stuff is in townships, and that is not specific to South Africans or Zimbabweans or Malawians or people like that. I think it's more centered in a xenophobic way against Zimbabweans and Malawians, and I think in a larger part the reason why that is because Zimbabwe messed up their country by legalizing people taking farms, and that was a nail in the coffin. And if I know black people telling me you needed like a wheelbarrow full of money that had a worth at one point just to buy a bread, you know. So they all come here, and the fact of the matter is that they take other people's jobs, and that leads to crime, you know. In small holdings and places like that, I would say the crime is also more, and more people getting murdered, and they would poison the dogs. And I mentioned that before, they've poisoned my dog as well. But that's also not a color specific thing, because I can take you to multitudes of black people that had their dogs poisoned and stuff like that. You know, when you have nothing, like you work yourself stupid, you've been working there, you built the entire thing, because the argument would be from a white farmer that, you know, like he spent his entire life building this, but they build it with you, you know. And they are not dogs, and I don't know why I would be saying that, because I'm not like that, you know. And it would get me disowned from my family. But I think if you like profit share with them and treat everybody better, you know, then they will drink less, there will be less domestic violence, less, so many things. So yeah, I don't know if clean milk is good for you. I've been bitten by a black widow spider once, and I swear to God, like, drink milk. And we call it Disprin. It's like an aspirin. It really, really works. Nothing else works. So